The Sound of Toronto will do two things: educate and entertain. We'll suss out the music hotspots of Toronto. Blues Club, the Silver Dollar. Jazz Club, the Rex Hotel. Casa Loma, home of the Toronto Organ Society. And Roy Thompson Hall, home to the Toronto Symphony Orchestra. We'll visit the local experts of various fields of music. Dr. Vlado Zeman will introduce the physics of sound. Edith Lantos will discuss the various methods that have been developed for teaching children. Tommy Critchlow will transform a 55-gallon oil drum into a precision-tuned percussion instrument. We'll visit Long and McQuaid Music to check out the latest music gear, new technologies like the Yamaha Easy Guitar. Each show will include a performance by one of Toronto's virtuosi musicians. Professor Robert Sims will play the hypnotic African kora, and we'll enjoy the African blues guitar of Adam Solomon. We'll take a look at some of the most influential musicians of Toronto's past. Jackie Mittoo, perhaps the single most important contributor to the sound of ska and reggae music. Glenn Gould. Glenn Gould was the most prominent voice of classical music in Canada. Lenny Breau. Lenny realized music on the guitar that was simply inconceivable before him. We'll wrap things up with a quick book and CD review. A book about the music of Toronto and one of the many CDs which have come to be regarded as Canadian classics. So treat yourself and tune in to the sound of Toronto.
One other thing to remember, don't do too much saw playing in one night. It's really good for just a spice.